Within the intricate dance of the human experience, there exists a profound alchemy, a transformational process that transcends the boundaries of mere imagination. In this video, we delve into the realms of correct visualization, where the act of envisioning becomes a catalyst for immediate shifts in consciousness. From the intricacies of goal visualization to the profound concept of the super self, we unravel the mysteries of embodiment and explore key habits that amplify the power of visualization. As we navigate the terrain of the mirror principle, the underlying thesis emerges. Once you visualize correctly, the shift happens immediately. This is not just a promise, it's a journey into the mechanics of the mind and the art of conscious creation. The essence of visualization. Visualization, in its purest form, is more than a mental exercise. It is the art of consciously crafting mental images with precision and intention. At its essence, it taps into the creative depths of human imagination, allowing individuals to paint vivid pictures of their desired outcomes. Imagination is the cornerstone of visualization. It is the extraordinary mental faculty that enables individuals to conjure images, scenarios, and possibilities beyond the constraints of the present moment. In the essence of visualization, the power of imagination becomes a potent force, allowing individuals to explore the uncharted territories of their aspirations. Visualization transcends daydreaming or passive mental imagery. It involves intentional creation. This intentional aspect infuses purpose into the images formed within the mind. As individuals embark on the journey of correct visualization, they move beyond randomly generated mental scenes to deliberately constructing images aligned with their goals. The essence lies in the transformation from mere observation to active participation in the mental creation process. At its core, visualization is an act of conscious creation. It involves molding mental constructs that mirror desired realities. These mental constructs act as blueprints, providing a clear roadmap for the subconscious mind to follow. The essence of visualization, therefore, is found in the deliberate choice of images and the precision with which individuals construct mental scenes that align with their aspirations. Visualization is not confined to the conscious mind. Its essence lies in its profound impact on the subconscious. The subconscious mind, a reservoir of beliefs, memories, and automatic responses, responds strongly to the images presented through visualization. The essence of visualization extends beyond passive observation. It is an invitation to participate actively in the creation of one's reality. Through intentional engagement with mental imagery, individuals infuse life into their aspirations. This participatory aspect heightens the emotional and sensory dimensions of the envisioned scenes, amplifying the overall impact of visualization. In the intricate tapestry of conscious creation, goal visualization stands as a foundational thread, weaving aspirations into the fabric of reality. The journey of goal visualization begins with the crystalline clarity of defined objectives. At the heart of goal visualization lies the power of vivid imagery. Beyond the abstract notion of success, individuals are encouraged to paint detailed mental pictures of their achievements. The more vibrant and detailed the mental imagery, the more potent its impact on the subconscious mind. Goal visualization involves a unique form of temporal projection, mentally projecting oneself into the future state of accomplished goals. Through temporal projection, individuals bridge the gap between the present and the envisioned future, making the journey from aspiration to actualization more tangible. Visualizing your ideal self. Beyond the confines of conventional goal setting, the practice of visualizing the ideal self opens a gateway to profound self-discovery and transformation. At the heart of this exploration lies the concept of the ideal self, a version of oneself that embodies the highest aspirations, values, and qualities. The essence lies in the constant pursuit of becoming a better, more authentic version of oneself. Visualizing the ideal self is not merely about superficial attributes, but involves a deep alignment with core values. Individuals are encouraged to explore and define the values that resonate at their core, infusing the ideal self with authenticity and purpose. A powerful tool in the visualization of the ideal self is narrative visualization. By engaging in narrative visualization, individuals enhance their connection to the evolving story of their transformation. While external attributes may play a role, the essence of visualizing the ideal self transcends superficial qualities. It involves envisioning the qualities, characteristics, and behaviors that align with the individual's core identity. Visualizing the ideal self becomes a journey of self-discovery. As individuals engage in the process, they uncover hidden potentials, strengths, and latent talents. Limiting beliefs often act as barriers to self-transformation. By visualizing the ideal self confidently and authentically, individuals gradually dissolve the constraints imposed by limiting beliefs, paving the way for a more empowered and expansive self-concept. The essence of visualizing the ideal self extends beyond the confines of a visualization session. It integrates into the fabric of daily life. Through intentional alignment with the envisioned ideal, individuals bridge the gap between aspiration and actualization. Imagining the super-self. In the expansive realm of visualization, the concept of the super-self emerges as a powerful invitation to transcend the boundaries of perceived limitations. At the core of imagining the super-self lies the notion of unlimited potential. By envisioning a version of oneself that embodies limitless capabilities, individuals open the door to a realm of unexplored talents, skills, and capacities. The essence lies in understanding that the super-self is not bound by the restrictions of the past or present, but is a canvas upon which infinite potentials can be painted. The act of imagining the super-self calls for creative visualization techniques that go beyond conventional boundaries. Visualization becomes a playground for creativity, allowing individuals to experiment with scenarios that challenge perceived limits and expand the realm of what is deemed possible. Fear often acts as a formidable barrier to realizing one's full potential. By visualizing oneself confidently navigating through challenges and overcoming fears, individuals alter the neural pathways associated with fear, paving the way for a more courageous and audacious version of themselves. Imagining the super-self involves a paradigm shift, a move from incremental thinking to quantum leap thinking. This shift in perspective encourages individuals to think beyond incremental progress, embracing the idea that significant and rapid advancements are within their reach through the power of visualization. While the super-self transcends current limitations, its essence remains anchored in alignment with core values. By ensuring that the envisioned super-self is not only powerful, but also guided by a moral and ethical compass, individuals create a harmonious integration of personal empowerment and ethical conduct. The essence of imagining the super-self extends beyond visualization sessions. It involves the integration of super-self traits into daily life. Through intentional alignment with the envisioned super-self, individuals bridge the gap between aspiration and actualization, cultivating the ground for transformation. In the alchemical process of conscious creation, the integration of consistent habits serves as the fertile soil where the seeds of visualization take root and flourish. At the core of cultivating a transformative mindset is the establishment of a daily visualization practice. This habit involves dedicating a specific time each day to engage in intentional and focused visualization. By consistently immersing oneself in the mental imagery of goals, the ideal self or the super-self, individuals reinforce the neural pathways associated with their aspirations. Gratitude serves as a powerful catalyst for transformation. The habit of gratitude journaling involves regularly recording moments of appreciation and thankfulness. By integrating gratitude journaling into the daily routine, individuals create a mindset that aligns with the positive energies necessary for the manifestation of their envisioned reality. The practice of mindfulness and present awareness becomes a foundational habit for grounding the transformative process. This habit involves cultivating the ability to be fully present in the current moment, appreciating the richness of experience without dwelling on past regrets or anxieties about the future. Affirmations act as potent affirming statements that reinforce positive beliefs. By regularly affirming one's capabilities, worthiness, and alignment with desired outcomes, individuals sow seeds of positive beliefs that permeate their subconscious minds. Physical well-being is intricately connected to mental and emotional states. Engaging in activities that invigorate the body, such as exercise, yoga, or mindful movement, fosters a holistic approach to transformation. By aligning the physical self with the mental imagery cultivated through visualization, individuals create a harmonious integration of mind and body. The mirror principle, reflecting the inner world. In the intricate dance between the inner and outer realms of human experience, the mirror principle emerges as a profound revelation. As individuals engage with the mirror principle, they gain insights into the interplay between thoughts, beliefs, and the mirrored reflections manifested in their reality. The mirror principle posits that the external reality mirrors the internal state of an individual. In other words, the world around us is a reflection of our thoughts, beliefs, and predominant mental patterns. Understanding this principle becomes pivotal in navigating the landscape of conscious creation. At the heart of the mirror principle lies the recognition that thoughts are the architects of reality. Beliefs, deeply ingrained and often subconscious, act as the blueprint for the mirrored outcomes in life. The mirror principle invites individuals to scrutinize their core beliefs, recognizing that the external world mirrors the convictions held within. Techniques for identifying and transforming limiting beliefs become essential in the conscious creation journey. The mirror principle extends beyond thoughts and beliefs to the realm of emotions. Emotions serve as vibrational frequencies that attract corresponding experiences. The practice of intentional visualization becomes a key player in the dynamics of the mirror principle. By deliberately creating mental images aligned with desired outcomes, individuals influence the reflective nature of reality. The mirror principle is not a fixed reflection, but a dynamic process open to transformation. As individuals undergo inner shifts through practices such as visualization, affirmations, and mindfulness, the mirrored reflections in the external world adjust accordingly. The instant impact of visualization. This exploration into conscious creation through visualization offers a roadmap for immediate transformation. From foundational principles to dynamic practices, it reveals a roadmap for harnessing the immediate power of correct visualization. As individuals delve into their inner landscapes, crafting vivid mental images with intention, they unearth transformative potential. The mirror principle illuminates the dance between thoughts, beliefs, and reflected reality, offering a pathway for intentional living. The resounding truth emerges that correct visualization initiates an immediate shift, a testament to the immediacy of conscious creation when the mind aligns with its creative potential. This journey is an invitation to embrace the alchemy of visualization, recognizing each moment as an opportunity to shape a reality, harmonizing with intentional aspirations.